Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the Call of Duty FPS drop test in the Realme GT Neo 2 device after recent Realme UI 3.0 update. After this update, we do get this kind of real-time floating FPS meter. So by using this real-time floating FPS meter, I'm going to do a couple of minutes of gameplay of the Call of Duty using with the highest graphics settings as possible. Let's see how is the gameplay gonna be there in this Realme GT Neo 2 device. I'll try to show you exactly what are the settings I'm trying to use as well. So overall, till now there is no 90 FPS support in the Realme GT Neo 2 in terms of the Call of Duty gameplay, unfortunately. So still it's not updated yet. I'll try to show you the settings as well, what I'm trying to use. So very high graphics I'm trying to use during this process of testing. So right now let's see friends what will be the real-time FPS meter. Let me try to play the normal team deathmatch. So let's see in the team deathmatch how well the phone gonna perform. So if possible, let me try to use the gaming triggers from the Realme. Right now, as you can see friends, I did enable this real-time Realme gaming triggers. Not bad overall, it was able to maintain really good FPS count. It's maintaining 6160 FPS. .59 FPS, it's maintaining 55. Right now it's maintaining 50 and 60, not bad, it's pretty good, maintaining a stable FPS. So not bad, so overall it was pretty good, 54 FPS it's maintaining. So right now let's see friends this kind of zombie Call of Duty testing as well. As you can see the real-time FPS meter, it's handling pretty good. As you can see friends, overall the FPS maintaining pretty good, consistently it's maintaining. It's maintaining pretty good, not bad. So let's see friends, how is the gameplay gonna be there right now. The zombie mode. As you can see friends, overall the FPS. As you can see right now, still the phone was able to handle pretty good FPS.